Get out me some photo bomb and me bloody shot. Get out the way.
You know you love it.
Fuck me. Psst. They're tucked in on the right.
Oh, hold on.
Stay low, stay low, stay low.
It's there, but
Theirs, it's theirs.
You've got to get that box, the French foot. You've got to find your box, your box.
Right, Mark, get down there. See if you can get a good line of sight down the road. Guys, work your way around, we've got them. Huh? Medic!
We need that CAMO's extraction point there.
I'm coming with you as well. Right, David, you stay safe.
So do you want me to stay here, mate?
Yeah, stay there for now. Yeah, try and stay spaced as much as you can. Yeah, this right hand side's fucking getting hot. Danny, have you got a medic your side? Over. No. Stuart, their medic is down. They made some do I stay with you? Right guys, cover me on crossing. 20.
Right outside Treeline.
Go back.
Come on. It's down. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go and find out what's happening over that side. Okay gang, our objective remains holding Horseshoe because their extraction box is in Horseshoe. So we're kind of stuck here until we lose control of the Horseshoe because we need to stop them having their extraction box. Mark, come in, Mark, come in. They are very close to your front. I was just taken out on Horseshoe by a guy in the bushes and so was David. So they are close to your front. Have you guys still got the grey medic in there? Pull them back, pull them back, pull them back.
guys, flood in.
Right, guys, they're pushing up this road. Their extraction box is in that bush, so we need to keep that bush.
Is that what it is? Theirs?
That's theirs, yeah. Right, guys, I'm coming in round the back of yous, so be ready. Right, squad, very quick briefing. Squad 6 is in here. Squad 8 you can see over there. Between squad 8 there and squad 6 here, we're holding this corner. We're stopping them coming up the road. They're stopping them coming up the wood.
Follow my shots. Follow my shots. You see him? Do you see him? I got him. Got him. One's creeping behind them. That's him out. Ah, fucking spotted.
It's fine. A lot of fire coming right in here. How are you for mags?
Last mag.
Roger.
Go for it, go for it, go for it. Yeah, they're definitely in the smoke.
Trench squad, sit rep. The squad up there are going to get into these woods and try and push down to start clearing the road. So when you hear a lot of fucking shooting going on, get your heads up, support them. Medics, be on standby for casualties.
Push it up the hill! Guards down!
They've just crossed over into them trees in front.
Do you want to pass us that fucking cash? We'll take it back.
Right, moving out.
Oh. Oh. Thank you. There's command up here.
Yes, all then ready.
All squad 6 return to the trench. All squad 6 return to the trench. Right guys, we're about to be in contact on the left as well. They're in this tree line. So we're definitely in a last stand situation, right? Hit! Dead! Hit! Standing up! Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! Right, squad 6, will we kind of go that-ish way because they're all going that way? Right gang, cross the road, up the hill. Seen? Huh?
Done.
Right. Let's get the pressure going.
Watch out the gap on your left. On your left, on your left. Oh,
Got him, got him, got him. Fuck me. What we really need to get is somebody up in those bushes to look down there, but if you try and get up there, you'll probably get fucking wrecked from that way. Alright, go for it then. See if you can get yourself in dirty in there. I'll cover you from this way at least.
okay, boys. Help me, Lord. Okay. Hit! Top, top, top.
Hit! Hit! Straight.
Right, give it up, cover.
Down. One.
Lie down, lie down.
Go, 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 go.
They're pushing, they're pushing. Hit! Fire on the fort! Fire on the fort! Push in! Push in! Squad 6, get inside! Right, start grabbing. Grab a bit of contraband and run.
All dead. All dead.
Oh, hang on, hang on, hang on.
Excuse me. Get it in.
Go to French Fort, boys, when you're ready. Right.
Something around there.
Danny, come with me. Squad 6.
Yes, boys.
Get a bit of a fighting line on this tree line looking that way.
House! Bottom of the house!
Form a hot ball. Hot ball. Hot ball.
I'll go down and check it out, right?
Medics hit.
Our medics hit.
Yeah. We'll get them pushed here, like. They're in. In tree. In there.
And where?
French Fort.
Anybody in the French Fort area, there's apparently a tactical there.
That fucking left side. They're inside that wood box.
They're apparently inside French Fort, so I'm going to try and grenade them out.
You want a grenade over there?
On it. Just grenaded French Fort.
Are you able to push over the fist of French Fort? Okay, do it. You can't find that.
We've got them coming up on this side, lads! Hey, fast!
Squad 6, I need you guys to pull back up the road a bit more towards French Fort. We're not going into French Fort, but we need to hold the immediate left and right sides of it. So can you guys start coming back up the hill and centre yourselves kind of around French Fort? I've got eyes straight through French Fort to the door that they'll use to come in, and that's what I'm watching right now. Huh?
Go, 19, 20.
Right, so we're going to try and cross into these woods here, see what we can see, and then try and sort of work our way up to try and...
We'll send half across there now.
Yeah, yeah.
No point sending everyone over, we're going to get fucking absolutely...
Oh yeah, somebody need to go and check, so...
Yeah, send a couple over.
Okay, see you later, mate.
Right, let's go.
Are you ready, kids?
Everyone come into this side of the woods. There's friendlies in here already.
Up top.
Right, gang, I'm going to try and cross this road and just shoot up the hill.
I just feel like you're waiting when you're far away.
Huh? Hit!
Anybody have a pyro?
No.
No fucking way. We're going.
For the Union Jack. Right.
Who's got long range? Well, you got a kill right here. Ready? Aim. Now. Then, no. Medic, you dead! Guys, cover me, I'm going in! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Right in front of us, red. Yeah. Woo!